Hello traders, today we look to profit trading the pound Aussie. Traders, let's take a look at our chart today on this Tuesday, October 16, 2018. Traders, we're going to take a look at the pound Aussie. Interesting, I have to say. So we have the pound, which is extremely weak, and we have the Aussie that's semi-weak. However, you take a look at this chart, you can see this sold off very, very nicely. You can see the support line on my chart. The support line hit like 6 times and was unable to break through it. So this tells me this is a good indication that we want to take this to the upside. Usually the more times it hits that line, it eventually should go through. Well, it's not going through. So I think this is going to give us a pullback. And we need a pullback. So we're looking for a pullback close to that 200 exponential moving average, being the green line on the chart. And that'll be at 1.8540. At that price level, I'd be looking to sell this. You know, you like to see some bearish candlestick formation, some weakness, maybe a confirmation on a 15-minute time frame, and then we'll sell this. Now, it's going to come back down. We're probably going to get a bump at that 55 exponential moving average, being the teal line on the chart. But we're looking to get out of this at 1.8410. So it's about a 50-pip trade. Now, I know you're saying, well, William, if it's at support, why don't we buy it? That's not a bad idea. We can do that. We can also take this to the upside. So we can buy this, really, once it gets above that 55 EMA. It's got to get above that first close, and then you can get in that. And that looks like that's about 1.8550, 8450, above that teal line. And then you can get in that and take it back up to that 200 exponential moving average. I'd be very careful with that, though. You know, it might not work. Might only get 10 pips, might drop. So just be careful. Traders, thank you so much for being with me on this Tuesday. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning in Asia. Traders, please take a look at this. Traders, here's my little secret of confident trading. I'm not afraid of losses. FXCL covers 0.6 pips per lot automatically, and that's something you won't find anyplace else.